Okay, here I am back for a new duel, and we are going to play. I think I already played this guy. I don't know if this guy was the torrential guy. Okay, my hand is really bad. But okay, we are going to play with this, and this, and we can MST his sphere. So we are going to. We are setting all our back row. Okay, not the second MST. So we're getting attacked for a billion. I need to draw a monster. Exceed. Nice, 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 and minus. Okay, we can deal with it later. As prison or so. Okay, now we are going to shuffle our hand and set the red for in case we draw another red. If we draw another red, we can red into red. If not, if he didn't attack or so, we can still do a lot of things. Okay, I'm going to let this open here on the side. Megalo. What can I do with Megalo? Marksman and Diva. I'm going to warning the Megalo. I don't like it so much. And then I am trying. Maybe he gets my MST. Yep. He gets my MST on his TT. That was sweet, 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 sweet. I'm pretty lucky, usually. Now, he lost 4 cards for my 1 card. And that was amazing. Amazing, amazing. I set another card here. So, yes. On someday he has to attack into my monster. If not, I am going to draw oil into my oats and finish him. Finish him. I think he's waiting for another Megalo. He needs 1/1 monster. Marksman. And Diva. Wait. No, he would have Storm. I think he, because now he really gets full power if he okay, I can go into Sangan and then sit there and wait forever. Yeah, I'm going to wait forever. He draws 1 card, okay. His turn. So this means he plays Tragedia in his deck. Oh, That was not really nice. Okay, now we have lost. Okay, we didn't have lost because we have a lot of cards, but we are. Okay, Diva. Okay, so he goes. Well, the watcher tried to say really here. Lost. Now he can make synchro for 8. I know, synchro for 4. Oh, Armorian. Armorian. Whoa. There he misplayed hardly. If he simply goes Armory Arm into the Sandmines or this, he kills me. I'm dead. I am over. Game over. Okay. Fuck test. Okay, now he makes the effect of this, gets anything that he wants, and then detach here, put two counters, and he can simply go here, detach, search for. I think he don't have another diva. Okay, now he has another diva. No, I am pretty much fuck it. Okay, now he can go into Smoothing Glacier and I lose my card. Okay. Okay, he left the duel. So this turn was pretty awkward. He drew it in the second card, but I had just no defense, and maybe I should have not set it. No, I think I should have. When I draw the warning, I should have set it, and now maybe. Now going into Sun Mines was like the shit. The thing is, I should have been dying before. So, okay, thank you and bye.